Okay. Or click on data, get data. You see sir from other sources. You see sir blank query. You click on blank query. How many tables I have? 3 tables, right sir? So my Power Query editor is open, right? Okay sir? Power Query editor is open. Get data from other sources. Blank query. Last one. Last. Okay, good. Okay, sir. I write one formula here, right? That is called DAX formula. Okay. What formula is there? You can type EXCEL dot E capital, right? If the version is 19, you should be E capital. But right now you chose this command, right? Excel dot current workbook. You see command is there, current workbook, bracket start, bracket close, then press enter, right?
So you need to put equal to?
Yeah, equal Excel dot automatically come, right?
No, it's not coming. If you put equal to,
Equal, you type Excel, is coming, right? Bracket start, bracket close. Enter. That table is right. Current work. Okay, sir. If the 50 tables you have, quickly pick all tables, right? So right now I have 3 tables, right? Okay, sir.
If I want to select a particular out of 6, I need to select 3.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
how am I going to do it?
Column should be same, sir.
Yeah, column is same, so I got like 6 tables there. So I need to select only these 3.
These 3 you filter, right? You go there, filter, uncheck, right? Table 1, table 2, table 3. They should be just separate one, right? Okay, sir. Is better, right? Okay. So I just write here formula equal Excel dot current workbook bracket start bracket close enter, right? So how many tables are there, sir? 3. I click on the blank area that shows are here table, right? You see, when click on this in front of the blank area, right? That table shows, right? How many tables are there? 3. This means table name, right? Scaffolding, right? Vessels, LNG. Okay, sir. Further, what is my query? What is my objective? I want to append. Append means I want to combine all database, right? All data tables that I want to club one sheet, right, sir? So what I'm doing now, when you create a query, query is running, then Power Query Windows also table shows, right? This table also comes next time here. So I don't want to pick my combined data, right? I want to pick only my tables. Therefore, I'm filter here, right? So I give the query name is append, right? What is query 1? Change it, right? You just change it here. Query 1, remove it. You give the name is append. Okay, sir? Copy this one. Right click, copy. I go to this name field. You see filter button. You see, sir, text filter does not contain. You see, sir, does not contain. I click, right? I put here control V, right? You see append? Control V, paste, right? And click OK. The second option steps are here, right? Source, filter rows.
What are you doing in this?
Basically, next time when the query is on, right? Combined table also shows the same workbook.
Okay.
So this table also pick, right? So I don't want to pick combined data, right? I want to pick only my database files.
In my case, I have already filtered 1
Yes.
out of 6.
Already. So next time to follow steps.
No, I agree, but there can be scenarios where out of 50, I just want 4,
Yes.
right? So
Then
how
you
do
can
I-
change, right?
How do I now put another filter for this?
Yes, you can put, right? Tables.
But then these filters will go.
Yes, you do this one also, you can filter from also here.
This filter is on.
Yes, correct.
Now I cannot add another text filter
Yes.
because these tables would be on, right?
Okay.
The selection will go, right?
Yes.
So
When you don't define the name, right? That shows the table. The table is not picking. You can use this option, text filter, instead of table.
okay, multiple.
Yes. Right? You can put here contains table. If word table exists, then don't.
No.
No scale. Otherwise, they pick only table 2, table 3, table. Next time it's coming.
No.
Okay, sir. Why am filter? Because next time table creating, right? Combined table also comes. So I don't want to pick my combined data. I pick my table only. Right? Therefore I filter it. does not contain. Does not contain. You told me. Yes, right? If you stay, you told me. Yes, you put. That is true, right? Basically, next time I will just pen. The pen is coming. I don't want to pick a pen table. Therefore, it's good. Yes. Next time, right? Next time the new service is coming, right? So next time it's not picking a pen table also. Right? Therefore, I filter. Is okay, sir? Okay, sir, there are two arrows are coming, right? You can check on this, right? Content. You see two arrows. Click on two arrows. That is called expand, right? You see, sir, option is there. Use the original column as name. You uncheck, right? This option you can uncheck and click OK. So my tables are combined here, right? Done? Yes. Is it clear, sir? Okay, sir, right now, what problem you are facing? Power Query doesn't recognize my column type, right? That shows ABC 1 to 3, right? That doesn't know what fields are there, number values or text values, right, sir? But you can do this one is one by one. If you cannot do, the Power BI is not accepting, right? So first it should be clear type. This column text. This is a number, right? So firstly, how can do this quickly? Otherwise you can do one by one. Otherwise you can go there, right? You click on ABC, right? You see ABC. You click on text. This type is text, right? You change it. This type is change text, right? This is your number, right? Okay, sir? Then I pick whole number. What is the best way you can do? Just click here. Press Ctrl A. When you press Ctrl A, my all columns select, right? Okay. Click on transform. You see transform? In the top. You see option is there, detect data type. You see, sir? You click, right? Automatically the all data types are changed, right? Okay, sir? Otherwise you can do one by one, right? Okay, sir, next time you this column I want to reorder, right? Reorder means after your project, right? I just drag after your project, right? So that is your reorder column, right? Project first, then is name, right? You see that is called reorder column. Which steps I'm doing? all steps are recorded on the right hand side, right sir? You cannot undo here, right? If you want to come back, you click here, right?
You can delete the step.
Yeah, you can delete step also, right? If you want to see the step before, what is this, right? Is okay? So these are steps are there. Okay, sir, right now I just keep two columns, but rest of column I don't want to like this, right? I want to see these columns are weeks are separate column. That is query of this, right, sir? I need a weeks a separate column, values are separate column, right? I need only 4 columns. First column is project. Second is name, right? Name means services. Then I need weeks. Then I put values only. I need only 4 columns, right? I have 2 already, right? Project and this. But these columns are separate, right? How many weeks are there? 7. So I want to combine all weeks one column, right? And all sales in one column. That command is called unpivot columns. Right, sir? What command is there? Unpivot columns. Right? So what I'm doing, how can do this one? First is take 2 columns. Okay, which column you want to keep? Right, sir? Just select, right click. You see, sir, unpivot other columns. You see, sir? Unpivot other columns. To make column move, right? Is okay, miss? Unpivot other columns. Right? Yes. Column move on the transform, right? It's clear, sir? It's clear? The first thing keep 2, right? And you see last one, services. Right? You see services, first thing, right? Because you don't want to unpay, right? This is your as a just reorder, right? Retro reorder. But just keep first one and this one, right? Right click. You see the unpivot other one. But I need this one, right? Otherwise you can select this one and unpivot. So better you can select 2 only. Otherwise 6 columns select, right? It will be here. Number with blanks. None.
I can do also rotate and also flip.
Yes.
Remove the.
Yes. You can. Right. So it depends, right? Those data is.
Right.
Sometimes all other values also.
But now when I do it here, okay, for example, the value of here, so even though that data is wrong, the source, automatically it will be
Definitely.
transformed.
Yes. Right. Automatically, basically this is cleansing, right?
Yeah.
But Excel sheet no problem, no problem. When you cleaning here, right? The same data you can put on Power BI. Because Power BI big refined data. If the data is not cleansing, Power BI is not accepting. The data should be clean. Is okay? Officer, can you give the name? What is this thing name is? Week. Right? Otherwise, the same headings come, right? Sometimes you forget, right? How can come back is there. I just put here week, right? I put here sir cost. No, that is okay. Okay, sir, who tell me if I want to select here, right? Project and this capital letter. I need all this capital. How can do? Very good, right? Where I go transform, format, right? Change uppercase, right? Okay, sir? First is select in this column. Go to transform. You see, sir, here project, format. You see change uppercase, lowercase, right? Capitalize each word. If you click on there, capitalize each word is capital, like this, right? Okay, sir? Excel is you can do, but it's difficult, right? Okay, sir, after this finalize, I go to home tab. You see home? You see the close and load, right? I'm telling you, when I'm using Power Query before I'm using in Power BI, right? That option is there, close and apply. But here option is close and load. Right, sir? Type close and load. Click there, close and load. So my new table is coming, right? All data combined is there. You see, data is come, right? The query is there, right? How many rows are there? Is okay? Okay, sir, can I create one more sheet? I just drag, control hold and drag. I just change the name. This table name is new service, right? What is sir new one, sir? What service new one? Insulation. You can sheet name also you want, right? If you want. But table is most important, right? Okay, sir? You can change the numbers also. I write a formula equal rand between $1 million, 2.55 million. Control enter, right? Copy 1 to 3, right click 1 to 3, right? Enter. I come on append, right? Right? I come append, just right click, refresh. Just refresh, right? Data is updated, right? No need to do same exercise, right, sir? You just double click here. Yeah, double click. You put here services. Services, right? Okay. This one, week. And go to close and load. First option. This way. Okay. Can we create one more sheet? just change the name, right? Just go there. Go to new line. Give name. Insulation. Are you done, sir?
Trying to update. It's 250 to 1.
Which one to do? This one? Insulation. It's not picking up. Append is in there because if the table is there, append. First one came there. You can copy, control C. This table deleted or not?
Duplicate.
Isn't it? Okay. Suppose you do it like which one this one?
All of them are
To give the
name and identity.
no, you from there. You don't define here, you give there.
Agree.
But this is the range name basically, right?
Correct.
This is the range name. Yeah. But you give here table, right? You delete, okay. Yeah. But every time you doing like
Yeah.
it's better you can
Yeah.
give me.
Now it's
Is okay, sir? Are you done up to this one? Are you done, miss? Your tables are updated or no? Good. Okay, no need to do same steps are doing, right? So that's the beauty of this. If the 50 tables you are coming, you can do it. Okay, sir. After this, can it link this data import in Power BI? Okay. So right now this data is linked with Power BI. Okay. Firstly save it this file. But this file should be saved, right? To give the name is append data from table, right? Control S. Append data from tables. Same workbook, right? I close it, right? Okay, I open Power BI. I can link here, right? Same one. I go to this one page to one new page. Go to get data, Excel workbook. Okay. Open Power BI, right? You see Excel workbook? Same file you pick, right? Append data from tables. You pick only append, right? Rest of tables you no need because already cleansing, right?
But the same transform data we can do it here also.
Yeah.
Power BI instead of doing Excel.
Yeah.
Which is more simple.
Yeah.
Doing in Excel or doing it directly here, which is more.
But here sometimes it's not making table, right?
Okay.
Power BI sometimes so many Excel related, right? Excel you can do easily manage.
So Excel way is easier.
Yes.
That is okay.
Right? You can do also here. Sometimes this one is easier and then I don't prefer Excel, right? So Excel you can easily manage everything. Just append, right? Okay. I just click on the append, right? I click on append. No need transform, right? Because my data is refined already, right, sir? I go to load. So my more table is coming, right? Before is project cost, another table also shows are here. You see append? Append. Because your combined data is append, right?
The table of the sheet.
Table, append table. After this, can you create a chart? Right, sir? After this, you can create a chart, right? If you can go, new services updated in Excel sheet, right? Maybe 3 more tables are coming, 5 more tables are coming, right? No need, just refresh is there and refresh also is. No need to do all those steps are going. No need to unpivot column. No need to rename the change the name, right? Just automatically you will update your dashboard also. Okay, I will show. Okay, I just click here. My services chart, right? I click on there. Name is basically my services, right? Okay, sometimes I get mistake here, right? I don't want to change name. If I want to go again Power Query, right? I want to change the name. How can go? You see 3 dots are there. You see 3 dots? You see edit query? I click on edit query. Power Query, same window is open, right? I just change the name of column, right? Because I forget the name. I just double click services, right? Okay, because I forget the name, rename my column, I just modified and again close and apply. So right now you see that is your change, right? Name changes services. Is okay? Then I can choose here, right? Clustered column chart, project and cost, right? Okay, sir. Can I create a pie chart? Services and cost, right? And pie. So pie chart is coming, right? Okay, sir. Can I create here line chart? Weeks and cost, right? But I want to show charts, right? This is a week chart. I want to show charts separate. This is the overall chart, right? But I want to line chart services wise, right? Okay. Multiple line chart, right? You see, sir, one option is there. When you scroll down, option is there. When you can scroll down here, option is there, sir. Small multiples. You see? I click on there, sir. Project I put here, right? So my chart shows like this, right? You see? Each project costs are separate, right? want to know that. So,
Can you just explain more?
yes, I'm sure. So this is the relationship. I'm telling you that. Okay. Later stage I'm telling you that. No, it's clear? Okay, so right now I want to show not in 2 columns, maybe 3 columns, right? This chart shows only 2 columns, right? But I want to show these charts are 3 columns, 4 columns, 1 row, right? So I just select this option, format visual. You see, sir, here format visuals. You see, sir, small multiples. You click here, option is there, rows, right, sir? How many columns you want? The 3 columns, that show 3 columns, right? You see 2 columns, right? 1 column, right? You can scroll one by one, right? Like this. It's okay? Or you want to show markers? You go down. You see some markers also, right? You see markers? Click on markers on, right? The button shows like this, right? You see markers? Data labels. So this chart you can show, right? Good. Okay. How can change in 3 columns? Is okay, miss? Good. So that's the way you can present, right? Good looking, good presentation, right? If you want to show overall chart, you can do overall also. This is each project wise, right? Okay, can you create here card chart? You see 1 to 3 and there, right, cost. Can you show, sir, thousands? Cloud value shows in thousands. Where go? Format visuals. You check here display units, thousands, right? Or millions, better, right? You select on cost. You see comma. If you want to remove this one, right, sum of cost, don't want to show, only number. What are you doing? I go to visuals. You see, sir, sum of cost. Double click, space bar, and just click, right? That's it. If I click here, you can check, right? If I click here, right? It's okay. Okay, sir, I come back, then I go for lunch break, okay? I come back Excel sheet where I prepare data, right? I create 2 more services, right? Okay, sir? I go to the main database, Excel, documents, Power BI intermediate, this my data, right? Append data, open same workbook, right? Can you copy 2 more files, 2 more sheets? Okay, I create one more, right? Control hold, drag, control hold, drag. I give this table name is, I just change the table name. What is table name is? Helium, right? helium. What is the new table name is? Gas, right? CNG, right? Compressed natural gas. Okay, values may be same, right? Value change is okay, no problem. I come back append. You see, sir, append. Okay, sometimes the queries and connection cannot show, right, on the right hand side, right? Go to data tab. You see queries and connection. The queries and connection shows are here, right? That shows how many rows are there. Okay, sir. This window cannot show before, right? You go to data. You see queries and connection, right? You can click also here. You see refresh. You can right click here also. You go to query, three-way, right? I click on this one. So that is your loaded result, right? Okay, sir. My data is append, right? You can check filter also. You can check on the filter. This is coming or no? Right? Click OK. Then this file should be closed, right? After save, close. I come on Power BI. You see here refresh in the home tab. Just click on there. That's it, right? This is also update, right? Update. Yeah, updated, right? Amounts change. You got it, miss?
Yes.
Are you done, sir? Done, sir?
Yeah, I'm done. I just have one.
Done, done.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So that's a way you can do, right? Easily manage your work, right? I think so. You have 50 tables. How much time you take?
Refresh.
Just within a minute, right? But another way also, but it's very lengthy, right? Append query, right? You can go there one by one, right? Create a connection, then go append one by one, right? Right now, 50 tables, 100 tables, just one time you put query, right? That's it. All steps are recorded. Before that, not Power Query, what I'm doing? Macros, right? VBA. Then I use the VBA. But VBA is very tough, right? But here is also language, M language, right? Which steps are doing, that show there M language, right? Okay, lag time like this, right? You can check also where is this coding, right? You can check also coding. You go there, home tab, you see transform, sir? You see editor? basically behind is this coding, right? Which steps you are doing, behind is this coding.
Can you take this from PowerPoint in Excel and put it as another?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Works fine, right?
Yes.
So I need not work on the Excel, but directly upload the tables with this.
Yeah. But Power BI is little bit tough tables work, right?
Yeah,
You
so
can do also.
You can copy the
Yeah,
same
copy this
code
one.
from PowerPoint in
Yeah.
Excel,
Yeah.
put it in this.
Yes. Then possible. Okay, sir? So next exercise I'm doing in this one, if you have a non-financial data, you have, right, sir? And I have sometimes monthly files, right? 2 months data, but so many columns, right? One columns are blank, some values are blank, right? Financial data, I am also one more DAX formula, right? But one more steps are doing, okay? So then I'm using DAX formula also, right? Tomorrow shall morning, I'm using MTD, QTD, right? Compare, right? Comparing current month, last month, and same period last month, right? Same period last year, what is the value, right? Like comparing like this, using the DAX formula.
What is DAX?
DAX basically data analysis expression, right? So DAX formula basically is little complex, but not easy also. If you Excel is good.
I mean, like this,
Same like this.
this language VBA or
This is the M language.
M language or VBA?
No. Right. We did that. But Power Query, benefit of this one, file size very small. Right? When you run the macros, file open is too much time, right? 30 minutes you just process, then open the file. But very big database, you can easily manage in Power BI, Power Query. Now file size very small. Therefore, mostly people are moving to Power BI. Right? So that is the benefit of this. Now is clear? After this lunch break, then using one more thing, conditional formatting, right? KPIs, right? If your costs are more than this one, then you can do that. Color change, red automatically color change, right? And also bar, icons, like this. Last thing I'm doing here.
Also, if you can explain the relationship.
Yeah.
Between the tables.
After lunch, inshallah, right? Can you create as a gauge chart also? You see gauge? I put cost, right? So my gauge chart is coming, right? Okay, sir. Can you create target also? I go to format visuals. You see, sir, gauge x-axis. I put here value, right? You want to put 0. Maximum value you don't want 3 million, right? 3 billions. You can put here as you want. You change the gauge, right? Maybe put here 275. To gauge you can define it, right? You put target also here, right? To put target here maybe 1.5 million, right? 175. So that your target also, right? The bar shows are here target, how you achieve it. So you can change, right? Is okay, sir? Or sometimes you want to show focus mode also. Go there, right? You see spotlight. So spotlight like this, right? You want to show only one chart. Rest of chart you don't want to show. Okay? You can spotlight there. You Is okay? I think so. Everybody is hungry, right? Today enjoy also lunch. Coupon you can take it. Very good restaurant today. If you like spicy food. MRA, right? Not coffee bean, right? Maybe tomorrow coffee bean.
Thank you.
Everybody got it? Okay, come back on 1 o'clock, right? Okay. You will maybe come sharp 1 o'clock. Then I'm doing more exercise because it's too much topics, right? Before you are using some this way, you how can append data from tables?
Yeah.
Same, excellent. So it's going to
No, I'm using in Power BI.
Power BI.
Using in Power BI.
One by one.
Because I have like 16 files, each file having 2 worksheets. So having append in Excel, it's difficult. So you have to go into Power BI for all those.
All to combine together, right?
Yes.
You can select the non.
Exactly.
I know that. But how can pick the table names? Sometimes you need the table's name is not picking. You can add one more column, only one.
Yeah, I did that. Because it gives you the file name over there, on the right side. There's a name comes.
Yeah. If you Excel, right?
No, no, in Power BI. Power BI. So these are the steps and the source on this. This one is basically coming in from the file names.
Fine.
So replace the file names with the sets of whatever you want. And then basically you append on this basis.
For example, the same file you can pick, right? What it cost.
Yeah, exactly. So the thing is that these are the files used.
Okay.
So this is coming from the yeah, these are the source.
There are different workbook, right?
Yeah. So each having 2 same format. So once I were updating the refresh.
Yeah. But Excel workbook is okay. When you table, right? In the same table, in same. But then how can you? Same exercise. You go to my data, my sheet, right? This one, right? I have to 3 tables. Right? I don't want to that how you run here, right? I want to combine.
Correct. So
Then go there. Close this one. Open Power BI.
So you can transform there also. I don't want to do this.
Yeah, big table only. But here you check, right? This is your correct one, right? Don't show your table names. You don't know services, this services.
There is a way actually I cannot recall now. Because I checked from the internet to get this.
Yes. Otherwise you can do one by one.
Yeah.
Otherwise you can come here,
No, but,
insert one more column.
This what I'm telling you. We have from different files. So if you have from different files,
Then
it
no
comes.
issue. Then no issue.
Yeah, then no problem.
But in this scenario, right? In this
Yeah.
scenario, what are you doing? You can add one more column,
Yeah.
right? Then you can find. But this is a hectic job, right? With the 50 files, you can do 50 times give the name. So it's better you can do this work in.
That is why I'm avoiding to have multiple sheets, better to have multiple files.
Multiple, yes.
Yeah, that's the workaround.
Yes. So this is another way.
Yeah.
Another way is okay.
Mm.
You can directly come,
Yeah.
right?
The thing
But
is-
in this scenario, I tried this one also, right?
Mm. Yeah.
Then I can do, but it's very hectic job. Firstly, create column. But no need. I don't want to create column every time.
Similar to Excel, you have various workarounds to
Yeah.
find out your
Find out. So you can easily manage there, right? Because you give the name also pick automatically.
Other thing, if you can show me that auto refresh if it is working in your system or not.
Okay, because I don't have access say like
This you are using Qatar JSON.
yes. Other guys is basically column, they don't give also internet
So
access.
this refresh is not working.
No.
Okay. Then you have to check with the right place.
If you, the internet will be available then right.
Yeah.
Publish is also not possible, but I just give idea, put my own email ID. Publish
Yeah.
is easy.
Okay.
No issue. Sometimes you use sometimes database is not properly organized.
So then I
devices,
filter.
right?
I
So then I
filter
also
it.
filter also, but
Filter
sometimes
and
I'm
power.
using also Excel dot workbook and the command.
The thing is, I'm using in this one only, in Power BI transform only. Any error, it comes as nulls and errors.
Yeah,
and all that
you
stuff.
can remove it.
Remove it.
No. It depends on data. So sometimes your database is bracket, right? That
Yeah.
is extract delimiter is there.
Correct. No worries.
You use bookmark also or no?
Yeah.
You can buttons also, right? Sometimes you don't want to show all charts. You want to show only one particular chart.
Bookmark is there.
And also use calculate formula.
That is what I need to learn.
Ah,
I told you.
yeah.
These are the bookmarks. Yes. This one. This is the bookmark.
You click there, right?
Someone playing around, no problem. Reset. That's coming in the bookmark.
Sometimes you want to show only this chart, right? Don't show all.
Yeah. So yeah.
You can focus more and there's no right.
And take a
spotlight and a bookmark. Then you just link, right?
Yeah.
Another thing you can, how can link to multiple dashboards?
That you may be able to explain. That I haven't done. Basically, this is all learning from internet.
Okay.
And wherever you are stuck, F1 and check and do it.
Okay.
That's what it is. So now these days, internet, everything available.
Yeah.
And
But you explore it.
Yeah, you want to learn, you check.
Yes.
Not like 16-hour videos for Power BI courses.
Yes, and it's too much.
YouTube.
But in this scenario, your book is intermediate level, right? It's very basics.
Actually, I applied for advanced, but they had a mandatory requirement of intermediate. Others. What to do? This one DAX finished. You have anything, book of advance?
Yes, I give
Can you share with me?
Yeah.
So that I can just go through
Yes,
it.
sir. I'm sharing with you.
These guys have this intermediate Excel training.
Okay.
You don't need training. F1 and finish. Relations.
Yes. I'm doing for that. Inshallah.
Good. Thank you.
I'm tell you how can create a relationship.
Yeah, because it's required for other project that I'm working on. I haven't used it. I'm using normal pivot only.
Power pivot is very good, sir. You have multiple.
But power pivot, then you need to link it to Power BI. Pivots can be linked to Power BI.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, see, you can
But they're
also
linked as a sheet or a table.
table also. You see, file. You see, sir, import. The option is there, right? Power query,
Ah.
power pivot, power.
Okay. Good.
You can import from here, right? If the pivot is there, power query is done, everything is done.
So if pivot is there, I need not use any formulas in Power BI.
Or be sometimes.
Yani because if I have something to work on, say for example equivalence and variance you were saying.
Yeah.
So if I have that data coming into pivot of Excel, I can directly take it over there. Yani. No need of
No.
working in this.
No. You already done work.
Yeah, because the problem is it's easier to work with the formulas and stuff in Excel.
Yes.
With even pivot also, sum and max and
Yes.
mean and average, median, whatever it is. But in this one, I was kind of stuck and I did not break my head on it.
Yes.
I ran it.
No, you
अपना-
can do it.
thing is अपना काम हो रहा है.
हाँ.
So what I wanted to achieve was check करके हो गया.
हाँ.
अभी नया project पे you want to sit and कि ये बनाना है.
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
you need to break your head on it.
Yes.
So that's the thing.
So in this way you can do. Before I'm doing one training in advance Power BI.
Okay.
Yes. Then these things are different.
Next time we'll in the
Inshallah.
advanced one. I'll try and book it up because you need to finish this to book advance.
But I'm giving another one.